Hey everybody, it's Eshine here, and in today's video I am going to be doing a review on this mattress. The mattress got a lot of good reviews on it. It has some very bold claims, and I want to put it to the test and see if it's really worth the hype. First things first, let's go get into the unboxing. Keep in mind that you is gonna have to definitely have two people help you. I'm telling you, it's heavy. Heavy. Team lift required. Oh, boy, the roof get in here. Oh, look at the mattress. Oh, God. Hold on. Ooh. Oh, my God. It's super heavy. Hopefully, it's super durable. High quality. And it comes in this massive roll. Whoa. It's going off the... They really care about their package. It's, it's starting to expand. Oh no, it's starting to expand. Oh no, get up there. No. Oh my God, it's expanding. It's expanding. Oh God, Jesus. Oh, no, it's making everything. Wait a minute. Probably a bad idea to do it like that. Oh, this is the bottom. Oh no, this is the bottom. All right, guys, this is really heavy. Like, no exaggeration. Ooh, she giving soft. She giving memory foam. Yes. Okay, you guys, look, it got handles on each side. The bed says it takes 24 to 48 hours to inflate. Did you know that 90% of people suffer from insomnia or poor sleep quality? But let me tell you, I got a little fixie fix for that. Eshine. They sent me this mattress here. Firm, baby. And I ain't never had no mattress hold me, confide me, mold to my body how this bed right here molds. First of all, it's ideal for all sleepers. Sleep on your back, if you sleep on your side, if you sleep on your stomach. I mean, it's suitable for everybody. It's a thing called mites, right? And mites be living in the mattresses. This mattress here is antibacterial and anti-mite. It's really great for the skin. It adapts to your body temperature. It keeps you cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. That is a pro if you ask me. So this bed here actually promotes blood circulation. It reduces muscle fatigue for all my gym girlies and gym guys out there. And it also enhances recovery. You hurt yourself or something like that and you gotta, go to like physical therapy. I feel like this will be great for you. Say you had a real good workout at the gym. I feel like this bed will be perfect for you. The way how it's able to mold to your body, decompress certain areas of your body is because of the technology that's made within this bed. So this bed has 3 layers of memory foam. Have you ever laid on the bed and you could feel the metal springs just poking in your back? I cannot feel the springs. I cannot. So it's odor resistant. So if you got somebody, they rear end be burping, yeah, you ain't gotta worry about that. I can see this bed being super duper great for someone that's pregnant. Absolutely. Because when you pregnant, you tossing and turning and you can't never get comfortable. Some women, I know I dealt with like my hips falling asleep. So I'll be laying on my side like how I am now. My hip will go numb and then I'm switching to the right hip and then that's going numb. And before I could even switch to the left hip still numb, it's still tingling, still not feeling right. So I feel like this bed will be perfect for pregnant women. Everybody deserves great sleep. Your bed is supposed to recharge you just like a charger would to your phone. And if your bed is not recharging you, then honey, I'm sorry to tell you, that's why you're going to suffer from poor sleep quality. And that's why a lot of people deal with insomnia, because you need a good recharge. If you are looking to better your sleep, I recommend you to get this bed from Eshine. They have all different types of beds. They have platform beds. They have the bed where you can like lift it up and all type of stuff. I will leave the link down there in the description box. Thank you again to Eshine. I appreciate it.